So far we have discussed almost all about the single stage transistor amplifier. Now we know that the basic function of an amplifier is to raise the strength of a AC signal applied in the input of the amplifier circuit. So the basic function is to raise the amplitude or the strength of a weak signal. The raising the strength means we are increasing the voltage of the amplitude of the voltage of a signal. So the gain of a transistor amplifier is the ratio of the output voltage to the input voltage. So the input voltage is the in AC signal, so we have to raise the amplitude of this input voltage. So in the case of a amplifier, we have to consider only the AC conditions, because we need to increase the AC voltage strength of the AC voltage. So let's discuss about the voltage gain of a transistor amplifier. The voltage gain means it is the ratio of the output voltage to the input voltage. To discuss the voltage gain, we need to consider only the AC equivalent circuit, because we need the AC output voltage and the AC input voltage. So we know that the output voltage V out is equal to the output current into, that is IC. We have to consider only the AC, IC into the output resistance, that we know that it is the AC load, that is RAC. The input resistance, input voltage is the V in is equal to the input current, that is the base current IB into the input resistance R in. The input resistance is usually the combination of R1, R2 and the input resistance of the base emitter junction. So this is R in. So from these two equations we can obtain the voltage gain. Expression for the voltage gain as voltage gain, usually we denote it by the letter AV, which is equal to V out, that is IC into RAC divided by IB into R in, which is equal to IC by IB is beta, that is current amplification factor, beta into RAC divided by R in, the output resistance divided by the input resistance. We know that this RAC is equal to RC parallel to RL. Similarly, the power gain is given by, it is denoted by AP, which is equal to IC square into RAC divided by IB square into R in, which is equal to beta square into RAC divided by R in, or it can also be written like this: beta times the voltage gain. So this is the different gains in a transistor amplifier. Thank you.